How to use adjectives as nouns. A helpful guide. We often hear adjectives we recognize used as nouns in natural speech and in the news. I thought that it would be good if students had a simple guide to explain this grammar. I did some research and used my years of experience teaching English as a second language to make this helpful guide. A common way we use adjectives as nouns in natural English conversation is to talk about groups. A group is a collection of many people or things that can all be described with the same adjective. For example, Mother Teresa did a lot to help the poor in Kolkata, India. The adjective poor means having very little money, not having enough money for basic needs. The poor means the group or collection of poor people that lived in Kolkata, India. Adjectives used to describe a group of people or things will follow the article the. The rich, the poor. The strong, the weak. The old, the young. The brave, the willing, the gifted. Rugby is fun, but it's a game for the young. I played in high school, but I'm too old now. The young is talking about young people as a group. The new roller coaster at Power Amusement Park has 3 loops. Only the brave can ride it. The brave means the collection of people who are brave. I believe the strong should protect the weak. The group of people we think of as strong should help the group of people we think of as weak. I joined a tour group that will climb Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa this summer. The tour website said this is a dream trip for the adventurous. The adventurous are people who like adventure. If you're adventurous and enjoying the video, hit that like button. Oliver's son is very smart. He goes to a private school for the gifted. The school is special. It only accepts children who are very smart. The new shopping mall has lots of parking for the disabled. People who are unable to use a part of their body completely or easily because of a physical condition, an illness, an injury, etc., can park easily at the shopping mall. Adjectives by themselves know the. Here's an example of an adjective that becomes a noun without following the. How does your city government help its homeless? Homeless is a noun in this sentence, talking about the collection of people who live on the street in my city. We learn that these adjectives as nouns talk about groups of people or things. Group is a singular countable noun, and singular countable nouns can't be used by themselves. I bought shirt yesterday. Incorrect. Shirt is also a singular countable noun, so it needs to follow an article or a possessive form. I bought a shirt yesterday. I bought the shirt I told you about. My shirt cost $29. When our noun means a group, it follows the same rule as all singular countable nouns. The new noun will usually follow the article the, but it will sometimes follow a possessive form. It's homeless. In this sentence, the group of homeless belongs to or is connected with a city. This is a common use, especially in news headlines. Learn lots more at my blog post. You'll find a link to this post in the description of this video. Join my newsletter community for lots of great English tips and tools. Join my English newsletter by clicking here. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a great day.